Now we are going to learn about animals. Okay. So what animals is this?
Tiger.
No, look at this. Oh. What is this? Lion. Okay, where do you find the lion? In the zoo or in the farm?
The frog.
Really?
Yes.
Where do you find the zoo? The lion.
They do.
In the zoo. How about this? What is this?
The night.
Snake. So where do you find the snake? In the zoo or in the farm?
They do.
The zoo. How about this?
What is
What is this?
elephant?
Elephant. So where do you find the elephant? In the
Do.
zoo. That's good. How about this? The
Monkey.
monkey. So where do you find the monkey?
They do.
The zoo. And then how about this?
Then tadi ini udah.
Not yet. It's cow. You say?
Cow.
Yeah. Where do you find the cow? In the farm or in the zoo? In the
Cow.
farm. That's good. How about this?
Ini kan udah.
Not yet. It's
Sheep.
sheep. Yeah. Where do you find the sheep?
Hmm.
In the
Frog.
farm. How about this that you eat? This one.
Gitu.
Chicken. So where do you find the chicken?
Di frog.
The farm. Yeah. So we can find the chicken in the farm. Am I right?
Ini belum.
Where? Okay. So what is this?
Snake.
Yeah, snake. The snake is in the
Do.
zoo. That's good, Louis. You're so clever. I'm really proud of you.
Tap tip